If you want to start using the paid plan of Framer, you should click on the link in the description and use the promo code PARTNER25 Pro yearly to get 25% off and 3 months for free. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a template in Framer. First, on your Framer website, click the resources and then select the marketplace, and it will automatically redirect you to the templates. Now you will see here a list of templates. You will notice that some templates has a price on it, meaning to say it's not free. So in order to edit a template, you'll need to pay for that. But if you want a free template, you can just search for a free template. So in this case, I choose this template, Atos 2.0. So credits to the owner. Now click the use for free and then copy project to my account, and it will redirect you to your projects. And then you can now edit the template you've selected on the marketplace. Same procedure when creating a content. You can also change the images, you can add elements, you can add anything you want in order to make this template more unique on your own preference. And that's it. That's how you edit a template in Framer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.